Hey guys, okay, so the reason why I look a mess is because I just came back from Zumba class. So excited. Um, I completed the whole Zumba class. Oh yeah, mini go for me, so excited. I like attacked it head on. I had my gear on and I was like, yeah, you're not gonna hold me down. Yeah. um, where everyone else was like flailing around and like resting and oh my gosh, I was like, yeah, I can do this. Attack mode, Power Rangers, away. Oh gosh. Anyway, um, yeah. So I completed my Zumba class. Yay for me. Um, I haven't weighed in lately. I tried. I got on the scale, and it's like, hey, you're 30 pounds heavier. Woo! I'm like, excuse me? No, I will not take that from you, Mr. Scale. And I got on again. Yes, I talked to my scale, if you're wondering. And I moved it slightly and I got back on. It's like, you lost 100 pounds. You're at your goal weight. And I'm like, no, that's mean. So I realized it's broken. So I'm really anxious to know what I weigh. I'm not going to focus on it, but it's really nice to know. Now I was thinking about going to my doctor's office just to see, just to weigh in. But then I figured I have a doctor's appointment next week, and I kind of want to get on the scale just to see where I'm at. Or I can wait until I go to the doctor's office, and it could be like, I don't know, a little surprise. Surprise! Huh! That's a really crappy surprise, especially if I like gained weight. Crappy surprise. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. The vegetarian thing is going really well. My week is kind of squished together. I think I've said this before because of my classes. So when I say like this week, for me, it's been a very long week. Um, it's shrimp is my new best friend. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I've been doing really well. I'm glad I chose that route. I love seafood. Um, that's about it. My water is doing really good. Okay, that's about it. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Ooh. Oh, goodness.